Hey Paperlovers, welcome by a new YouTube video for Happy Club. It's Josefine here with another process video for weekly challenge Friday. And I made a new scrapbook page and I was inspired by the sketch designed by Anka, and I love the big heart on the sketch and all the flowers and leaves. So I thought I want to make a wreath of hearts, including a picture and some flowers and leaves that I've fussy cut from the design paper from the December Hip Kit Club kit 2021. And I love the December kit. It's a very versatile kit with a lot of blues and pastel colors. So I got some hearts by using a heart punch, and I put two hearts on top of each other and stitched them with my sewing machine. Place them in my a circle around the photo, and I love circle designs. So again, I creating a circle design. A wreath of hearts, and here I use some die cuts, some flower die cuts, and I've also cut some flowers from the design paper and placed them around the photo. So I selected some word strips and chipboard embellishments to decorate my page further, and I placed them on top and between the flowers. Here I cut some twigs as well from the design paper, and I placed them between the hearts, and I used 3D foam to attach these cute little leaves on my page. So and when I'm done with my wreath of hearts, it's time to make the title. Now it's time to make some winter splashes on my page, and I use some gesso mixed with a little bit of water, and with my brush I splash the white winter magic around on my scrapbook page, and I love the effect of the white splatters. It looks very frosty and winters, and I love it. So here I place some extra puffy stars on my scrapbook page. Um, as an extra decoration, and now it's time for my title. So I draw a circle around my wreath, and I place the title around my wreath, and it will be Hello Perfect Winter Days, January Winter Fun. And I love to mix my alphas with each other, and so I create a playful title for this winter page. So I love all the different alpha sets in the Hippie Club kits, and again, it gives my titles a playful effect when I use different kinds of alphas on my pages. So I hope that I inspire you with this winter heart read layout for a Hippie Club. With the beautiful December kits, and don't forget to check the website and the blog today for more beautiful inspiration. And I hope to see you next time with another video for HipKit Club. And for now, I wish you a beautiful and lovely day and enjoy creating, friends. Bye bye.